100 million tablets in the next 3 years. Which begs the question, and the topic from the rest of my presentation, how do we create the best experiences? On Intel architecture, of course. We believe that, and between Doug and I, we're going to show you a variety of experiences and devices across the entire continuum of computing that Paul and Dottie spoke of yesterday. We believe the best experiences can be delivered on Intel architecture, on our silicon, across all segments, with the software resources that I'm going to talk about this morning. Our software strategy has always been to ensure that we have support for building those experiences on IA and provide you with a complete range of products and developer support for the entire spectrum and all of the different software environments that developers want to use. And as you know, none of us are just building products for one segment anymore, or for just one market. So what I want to talk about is a couple of different key technologies and what we're doing in those areas across, I would call them horizontally, across the computing spectrum and how that builds the experiences that we're talking about. These influence, we think, more than others, what we need to do. The first is performance and scaling, the use of available compute. And Deborah mentioned that Jeff Lowney will be giving a tech talk about parallel computing today. I think that Jeff is one of our Intel fellows and foremost authority in this area, and very worthwhile discussion of visual computing, how realistic the image looks, and how good the graphics is. We'll talk about that. And then, of course, in a connected world, device development, quick SoC development, internet connections. So we've made a lot of investments in this area. And obviously, we've made a few acquisitions in the software group. And we've done that really along our strategy of helping to build better products on Intel architecture across the continuum.